This is Dot, DoorDash's first autonomous delivery robot that brings orders straight to your door. This little red robot is 1/10 the size of a normal car and can travel up to 20 miles an hour. And if you think this is bad news for DoorDash drivers, you're probably right. Although Dot's still in early access, it's already been deployed to deliver in Greater Phoenix and is expected to reach 1.5 million people by the end of the year. DoorDash tested Dot across millions of simulated miles, including road hazards, construction zones, vehicles blocking lanes, and more. It navigates through bike lanes, parking lots, and sidewalks to reduce traffic on the streets, and can last between 6 to 8 hours. Dot's battery is separate from the robot, which enables it to charge on its own and be replaced. The robot weighs 350 pounds and can deliver up to 30 pounds of food at a time, which is about 6 large pizza boxes. The interior can also adapt to fit different cargo types, and at 3 feet wide, it can fit through most doors, making it a better urban and suburban delivery method than noisy drones. And speaking of noise, did I mention it can talk?
See you around. Goodbye.
That's right. We now have talking cars that can deliver fast food straight to our door. What a time to be alive. But is Dot actually better than human DoorDashers? The company sure seems to think so. DoorDash is using Dot paired with the new Smart Scale, which is a scale combined with intelligent predictive technology to make sure orders aren't missing any items. If the Smart Scale detects any errors, staff receive alerts so they can resolve the issues before the order even leaves the kitchen. And DoorDash claims this technology has already reduced missing items in orders by 30%. That's a huge difference. The company also claims that merchants can access an order manager through Smart Scale where they can track orders, contact customers if needed, process refunds for items that aren't in stock, and make substitutions. Then, Smart Scale signals a driver or a robot when an order is ready for pickup after it's weighed and passes weight verification, which is something I wish DoorDash utilized before because I think we've all had missing food in our deliveries. The good news is Dot should bring your orders to you more fresh because with human drivers, you don't know when they have multiple orders or are going to make stops along the way to drop your food off. At least you won't have to worry about your delivery drivers stealing your fries or taking a big gulp out of that Sprite you just ordered, because Dot's pretty well protected and only opens up when it reaches the customer and is confirmed. It also has 8 external cameras with 360-degree coverage, an interior camera, 4 radar units, and 3 high-resolution LiDAR sensors. So in case you're wondering, Dot probably wouldn't be the best target for robbers. Of course, that doesn't stop idiots from acting stupid. People have already been caught kicking, harassing, and spraying graffiti on Dot. Yeah, this is why we can't have nice things. They seem to maneuver around pretty well for designated areas, except for this Dot that got hit by a train.
Unable to do anything for the little guy.
And I know they've been tested in Arizona, but since they're electrical, how would they hold up in a storm if they expanded Dot to more states across the country? How do you feel about Dot? Would you order a delivery from Dot just for the experience, or because you think it would deliver a better quality service? Or would you rather stick to supporting your local DoorDash drivers? Let me know in the comments section below. I'm curious to hear your thoughts. And if you found this video interesting, hit that like and subscribe button to stay up to date with future content. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.